Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Office Bloke Daz.
I'm Office Bloke Mike.
Here we are, the two of us.
Yay.
Patreon's your thing. Check out the link below. Loads of brand new stuff on there, all exclusive to Patreon, starting at a bargain price of just
£1.50 a month.
Yeah. So check out the link
Chips,
below.
chips.
Yeah, loads of stuff on there. The best of train horn pranks.
Right, okay.
I love scare pranks.
Yeah.
It's like, I don't know, I love it when people do it on me because my initial reaction is always just prick, like, get angry sort of thing, and then it's depends who do it. You can't get away from it. If I'm one of them, if a balloon pops in a WhatsApp, I'm hitting the floor.
Yeah, just in case. It's a bit like the Bushman one, I suppose, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just frightening someone, but it's just like a primitive sort of like childish thing to do.
It's got to be the oldest prank.
Yeah, no.
And you're not really upsetting anyone.
No,
you're just scaring people, like to make them jump.
Yeah,
and it
the
really
reactions are priceless, aren't they?
Yeah,
sometimes.
they are.
Really
the best of train horn pranks. Let's get into it. Imagine this is funny.
Yeah.
It's my compressor.
He's got it in his car.
So, right, word of a lie. Me and my mate used to have one on our push bikes. It's not a train horn, but it's an air horn.
Yeah.
And we used to have them on our bikes going around the estate like a little canister on it, going, like that.
But you make people jump. It's like I say, I wonder when the first, like, I imagine cavemen used to like boo outside the cave.
it'd be funny to think that they did.
Yeah,
it
I bet
really
they
would.
did.
Yeah.
Have 4 of them.
Oh, he's got
Oh, wow.
Let's go
That's
scare
a
the
proper
fuck
sell,
out of some
that.
people.
Okay. I got the good night.
You good?
Yeah.
Oh no!
Both off.
That's loud. That
It is
is
loud, yeah.
The kid's running.
Ready?
Go ahead.
I don't know about you. I do it. I don't know if you're at a light,
Yeah.
a stoplight, and someone's walking across, and they're on the phone or they're not paying attention.
Yeah.
I always just go beep. I do it loads. Again, it's immature, but it's funny.
It
Makes
doesn't
people
get
jump.
dirty.
It doesn't
It's
get
just-
old.
No.
See how wide her eyes went.
Yeah.
Did it jump?
I'm ready. Go ahead.
Oh no! He started looking angry.
Yeah, he
Pacing
looked
towards
like
the car,
he
look.
looked like he wanted to go and jump on top of it, did he?
Come give me a hug. Give me a hug, Avery. Go give me a hug.
That's
Too
the best.
mature for that.
Good?
Yeah.
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 What's up, brother? She's a little.
Okay, not happy.
Stop, brother! Go. Go. Woo! Woohoo! No, go forward a little bit and go. Go ahead. The dad jumped more. That's epic.
Did it? Dad made the kid jump.
He did, didn't he? Yeah.
Go.
Nuts.
Do it again. Do it again. Let's go, Dad. And do it again. What's up, brother? Yeah.
I'm gonna show you. I'm on TV. Yeah, man. What up? Yeah.
And this will be on YouTube later, all right? Check. Go.
What was that? What's going on there?
A couple of them looks angry as well.
I don't know what was going on though.
There's something going down there, mate. Really.
Oh no, they all look about the same age. The guy leaning on the car looks a bit older than the rest of them. Yeah, it just looked a bit iffy, didn't it?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
Go.
Little kids.
Zoom in. Get it outside the room. Yeah, brother! What's up, man? Hey! What's up? That was epic. Oh my god, that was amazing. Woo!
Just wait a little bit. Slow down, slow down, slow down.
Go. You good? Yeah. That was good.
Yeah.
Woo!
Oh, that was so brilliant.
That guy that jumped, the blue guy. Yeah. Did you get him?
Yeah, the timing there needed to do it when he did.
Back
Club was up
swing.
there, He won't be happy. Oh no, not with the horses.
You wanna get the jig? Go. Yeah. Go. Go. Oh my god, that was
The ball is.
Go. Yeah.
What was that?
Asshole. Oh, he didn't flinch.
Missed it.
Okay.
You good?
Yep.
Happy.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Do it.
What's up, bro? Was that funny? That's a loud horn, huh?
Fuck me. Alright,
Oh, here we go.
Did they jump?
Jump in unison now. What
Yeah.
Yep. That was pretty fucking funny.
Got him twice.
You like that? They're not even looking.
That was
I don't know where it came from.
I know, yeah.
She's like, where the hell did that come from? They're both looking. You still recording the game? Yeah,
With the
that's still
train.
recording.
Yeah.
She's looking at us.
Do it again.
Look at the guy in the green. Record the guy in the green.
Confused.
That was so fucking funny.
Just honk at him. Yeah. Nice Scion, man. Thanks, man. Did yours have a train horn, man? When I got mine, it came with a train horn. You want to hear it?
No, I can't. Oh, I
Wanna
just
hear
heard
it?
it.
Mine came with a train horn. Dude. They're on the news.
It's the news,
Isn't it?
Dude.
Once he starts reading, that's when you want to get on it.
following us.
Oh. Man, you got angry. I'm sorry.
Hey, calm down, man.
Oh, dearie me.
Fucking window.
Should have bibbed him.
Cut on the freeway.
He's angry, isn't him?
Those horns kick ass, man.
Yeah.
You scared the shit out of us.
That was funny, that.
Yeah.
It just never gets old, does it?
It's funny, that.
Hey?
Isn't it? Yeah.
It's like a, I don't know, it's just old, immature, but very funny.
But funny. I know, yeah. Like I say, it's probably the oldest joke going, isn't it? It's got to be just jumping out on someone and frightening them.
Yeah, but it just doesn't get old.
Yeah, I do like the one with the horn on the car, I must admit.
Yeah, there's
It's a
nothing
good
you can
one.
do about it, though.
No.
How many
That's it.
times, even when you're expecting it, sometimes it still gets you.
Yeah, especially something like that. Something really loud, something out of the blue.
Yeah.
It's just human reaction, isn't it? It's like a defensive mechanism, I suppose, isn't it? But there's funny some of the reactions where they dance about and
Yeah, there's some like, I'll tell you what, there was there, some dodgy looking situations.
oh, there was, yeah. Some people looked a little bit angry there, I must admit. And
A little bit suspect, some of them, I'd say.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, it's funny, though. Enjoyed
Nice
that.
one.
Hope you guys enjoyed it as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.
Cheers.
Cheers.